Twinkle. So this happened. I'm getting ready for a huge concert in 3 days. And guess what? My world-renowned drummer just called and said he's sick. So guess who has to rock out on the drums and sing? Me! Guess I'll be practicing 24/7. Hey, Sound Snatcher! How do you like my playing? Sound Snatcher, you switched the it in sticks with an A. Now instead of a set of drumsticks, I have a set of drum steaks. I'll be the world's best steak drummer. Genius and delicious too. Are you ready to rock it out? Drumsticks